Okay, the question is 4 power x over 2 power y is equals to 2, and another equation is log 2x plus 2y is equals to 1. It is equals to 1. So what we have to do, we have to find the values of x and y. By using indices, we can form this equation 2 power 2x upon 2 power y is equals to 2. This would be written as 2 power 2x minus y is equals to 2 power 1. Solving it further, we are getting an equation 2x minus y is equals to 1. This is one equation. Now we have to form another equation so that we can solve them simultaneously. Now taking this. Okay, so log 2x plus 2y is equals to 1. Taking log on the other side, we all know that log has a base of 10, right? So it has a base of 10. So for example, if 1 is written over here, a simple rule of log is that the log will be removed and this powers number would become the base. So what will happen? It will become log will be removed and that number will be taken there. So I can write, instead of 1, I can write log 10. Okay. So similarly over here, I will be writing log 2x plus 2y, and instead of 1, I will be writing log 10. Why? Another rule of log, when the bases are same, the result is 1. So the bases are same, so I have made the base same in this. So now log can be removed. It has become a simple equation 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. Okay. Now 2 is taken common, the equation becomes x plus y is equals to 5. And solving it further, now we have one equation. This is the second equation. And the first equation that was coming was 2x minus y is equals to 1. So writing it over here, 2x minus y is equals to 1. And we are getting a value, x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. Now if we look at a question, the question says that, for example, log 125 over y plus 4 log y is equals to a log b y. Okay, so we have to find the value of a and b. We have to find the value of a and b for all values of, for all positive values of y. Okay, so how we will be solving this? First of all, so how we will be solving this? Okay, so we will be taking log. So I can write it again. I will be taking log 125 over y plus log y 4. Another rule of log, for example, if I say log 2 power 4, right? If I am putting a log, so the number, the power comes downwards, it becomes log 2. Okay, so now this becomes y power 4 and the other side is log by power a. Now we have all logs. This is an addition. Whenever in log, when we are adding, it means that it is being multiplied. So we are multiplying. So this becomes 125 over y multiplied by y 4 is equals to log by a. Right now log and log is removed. So this becomes what? This becomes 125 y4 minus 1, because there was a y in the base, is equivalent to by power a. Now 125 can be written as 5 cube and y cube. So I can write these two as cubes is equals to by a. Now in terms of this, what is a then? A is equals to 3. What is b then? B is equals to 5. A very important question that is often tested in the exams. You must have seen this is log 125 over y plus 4 log y is equals to a log by. You might be confused earlier on because you would be saying there's only one equation and you have to find a and b for all positive values of y. So this is how you will be solving it. Okay, another question. If I recall, so how many rules of log that we have discussed up till now? We have discussed the power rule. The power rule was stating what? The power rule stated that whenever there is a power, the power comes to the side of the log. Okay, now for example, if I look at a question, basic questions, right? First of all, I am saying that if I am saying log 3x minus 1 is equals to 2. Now we have to find log x, right? Now why they have written 3 over here and often you don't see that they just put log and etc. Why is that? Because log naturally has a base of 10. So when only log is written, it means the base is 10. But when 3 is written, it means now the base is 3. Now you have to evaluate it. Okay. So one of the rules of log is that if I am saying, for example, log 5 is equals to 2. If I am removing the log from here, so this log will come over here. The base of the log, for example, if it is only log, so it means the base is 10. So base becomes a number and this number becomes a power. So this would have been translated into 5 is equals to 110 square, right? Similarly over here, the base becomes the number on the other side of the equals to and this number becomes the power. So now we can easily solve this. X minus 1 is equals to 9, x is equals to 10. So it is all about numbers, right? Now if I look at another question that is a bit tricky, it says that log 3x plus 2 plus 6 log 2 is equals to 2 plus log 2x plus 1. Okay, the first step is just to remove this number and make it as a power, right? Okay, so log 3x plus 2 plus log 2 power 6. Now this 2 can be replicated as, if the bases are same, it becomes 1. For example, log 10 and 10, it becomes 1. So if it is 2, so it means that it can be written as 2 log 10 plus log 2x plus 1, because this whole value is 1, right? This is 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 1. So now log 3x plus 2 plus log 2 power 6 is equals to log 10 power 2 plus log 2x plus 1. Now the sign of addition is here, right? When the addition sign in log, addition means multiply and subtraction means divide, right? So if it is being multiplied, so it becomes 2 power 6 multiplied by 3x plus 2. And on the other side, it becomes log 10 square being multiplied with 2x plus 1. Now logs are removed. Solving it further, we are getting 2 power 6, 3x plus 2 is equivalent to 100 into 2x plus 1. Further dividing it, we are getting a value 3x. 16 into 3x plus 2 is equivalent to 25 2x plus 1. So the answer is coming 7. X is equals to 7 over 2, that is 3.5. I hope that this makes it evidently easier for you guys to understand and to adapt it and to apply this when you are doing the exams. Right? These are the basic concepts that you should be familiar with. I have started with questions, right? Because most of us are familiar with the basic rules of log. No? So this happens when you are familiar, but often when you have the exam questions in front of you, you are unable to apply them the way you want to. So that's why I have started with it. Okay. Now looking at another question. 2x plus 1 plus 2 power x is equals to 9. Now how we can solve this? We can solve this by taking 2 power x plus 2 power x is equals to 9. So if I take 2 power x as common, so it becomes 2 plus 1 is equals to 9. So 2 power x into 3 is equals to 9. 2 power x is equals to 9 over 3 is equals to 3. So 2 power x is equals to 3. X log 2 is equals to log 3. X is equals to log 3 divided by log 2. So x becomes 0.4771 divided by 0.301, that is equivalent to 1.59. Okay, so we have done a smaller session of logs. I hope that you guys have understood this. Later on, we will be discussing it in more details with the rules and everything. So this is the end of the session. This is a past paper session that we have ended.